I can't move with the... No way. No way. That won't work. I don't need to... I don't think that... No.
I'm sorry, Dave. The weight of this object is not correct.
You gotta be kidding me. I don't think... I can't move... I can't move...
I'm sorry, Dave.
You got... I can't move... I can't...
I'm sorry, Dave.
I can't... I can't... I don't want to...
I'm sorry, Dave.
You get... I don't think... I can't move... I can't... I hate technology. That's supposed to be a supercomputer, but I certainly can't see what's so super about it. No way! If I did that, it'll end in me talking to the toaster. Pass.
I'm a little more complex than a toaster, Dave.
Yeah, you said it. A little. I wish I could take it home, but I can't. No. Most of them are real classics, but no thanks. I have a life now. Most of them are... He's a pretty lame superhero, if you ask. I can't care. Well, 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 what do we have here? Did you leave a note on the street for me?
Maybe.
So, I understand you'd like to be kind of my Alfred.
What? Do I look like a damn butler to you?
Oh, good, because honestly, I wasn't very excited about it.
Listen, we have more serious things to discuss.
If that means 2 hours of lame TV sayings, I might as well just leave now.
Increasingly, modern science pursues powers traditionally reserved for the Almighty. But those who encroach upon the province of the gods realize too late that the price for entrance is destruction.
And we're done for today. See ya.
Hey, wait! Don't be foolish. I'm just trying to help you.
Okay, you obviously know how to control the powers of that ring. All right, I get it. But why do you never just say so? All you do is ramble on and it never goes anywhere. And then I end up losing my job and my best friend dies horribly. So enough already. I'm done with this shit.
Okay, I'll try to be more clear. But for the record, I just do what any oracle does. I hint about stuff, but never actually say it.
Ah, dude, I'll never see you as an oracle, okay? For me, you'll always be that drunken bum who yells stuff in the alley. How do you expect me to call you the oracle and not crack up?
Okay, fine. Now, listen. You seem kinda lost.
Yeah, well, I've got no clue how to get that ring back now.
Enter the bum.
Are you just gonna, pull it out of somewhere? Because if you are, I don't want to watch that.
An oracle just says stuff, never does stuff.
Phew, that's probably for the best.
Anyway, what you're seeking is out of your reach right now.
Great. Thanks for your help. See ya.
Oh, hell, boy, just wait a goddamn second. Finding that ring now is like a utopia for you, but that doesn't mean you'll never be able to get it back.
Okay, that sounds kinda good. I just hope you're not trying to seduce me or anything.
Oh, for the love of God, I'm just trying to help you, but I'm starting to get tired of trying, you know?
I'm sorry. Go on.
Okay. I don't know if you know already, but that ring is going to be exhibited next Wednesday. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know. It's a pity my current situation won't allow me to make it to Wednesday. Can't even make it to Tuesday.
But I'm sure that at this juncture you are aware that you can alter the future. Or even better, tomorrow's present. Understand?
I was never a very good student, but I think I get it. You're implying I should do something so the ring would be exhibited tomorrow instead of Wednesday. That way I'll be able to get it back tomorrow, is that it?
See? It's not that hard when you pay attention, right?
Okay, so what can I do to accomplish such a heroic quest?
Sometimes the most simple and insignificant thing can help you rewrite the near future.
More rambling. Here we go.
I've said enough already. You need to rewrite the near future. I'm not your walking walkthrough, okay? Just work with me a little here.
I'll give it some thought, although I barely remember any of it.
That's not working with me. Goodbye, kid.
Goodbye, bum. I think I'll miss you most of all. I'm not jumping over the fence. Hey there, can we talk about that future thing again?
You need to pay more attention, kid. Sometimes the most simple and insignificant thing can help you rewrite the near future.
Yeah, that was it. But I still don't get it, though. Nah, whatever. Not that strong. An Officer Murray figure. I'd say it's cute, but it's not. I'm not giving it away.